On Airport Road in Ontario, Canada, this trucker took down 2 hydro poles, causing a widespread power outage. In the video, the truck is seen attempting a U-turn on a relatively quiet road. While the turn appears to be completed, disaster strikes. The truck snags a cable, pulling down 2 utility poles. As a result, the area lost power and other essential services for 9 brutal hours. Although the trailer remained undamaged, the incident left the community dealing with the aftermath. Authorities located the driver, who now faces charges and penalties for the disruption he caused.